perfect day to work in the greenhouse. We got about 4 or 5 inches of snow. Some areas in Cleveland got up to a foot, so we're pretty lucky that we didn't get a lot of snow. That's outside. So this is the inside of the greenhouse. Right now it's about 70 degrees. Everything's nice and green. If you close your eyes, you can almost pretend that it's summer out. So we would much rather be in the greenhouse right now than outside in that snow. So another thing I want to work on here is the Modine Effinity 93s. They're starting to have a little bit of problems with just lighting and stuff, and these 3 lights don't work anymore. So I want to get those fixed, open this up today, and see what we've got going on. So let's do that real quick. This is what we have in this one. I haven't cleaned these out for a couple of years, and I guess I probably should have. Looks like we have a little condensation dripping down in here, but we need to definitely get this cleaned up. So let's do that real quick. Okay, that looks a lot better. We have a little rust over on this side. I tightened up the condensation trap, so hopefully that'll stop any kind of leak over there. And I'll get that cleaned up, maybe do a little paint this summer and get that cleaned up, but the rest of it looks good. I loosened up this right here so that I can push the wires through this grommet, and I got to replace these lights right here. So we'll do that next. So in these lights, we'll just take these connectors off right here. We'll pop this panel off, and we should just be able to pop these alligator clips off. I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the lights, the LED lights, and they're just held on right there. What I do, I just take a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'll just push it on there like that, and then just pop it off like that. We'll do that on all of those, and I'll get these lights replaced real quick. Okay. Okay, so the green light's on. Okay, so green is good. Orange means it's calling for heat. And when the blue one lights, that means that the igniter went. So let's see. And there we go. I heard the ignition. Sounds good. Fan should be coming on pretty soon. And I think we've just fixed the heater.
Well, it's a good thing Doug knows how to do all the maintenance in my greenhouse here. Everything's grown really good now. He keeps my heaters going. He helped me clean everything up here. I'm just really happy to be in here. We got a bunch of snow on the ground outside and it's cold, but it's so nice and happy in here. So tomorrow, do a nutrient tank change. Next video, I think you're going to be seeing Doug hanging the lights and getting all the electrical done, which I'm so excited for. It's going to be a good video. So as always, please like and subscribe. Leave me any questions, comments, or suggestions down below. See you guys next video.